Hi everyone, this is day 0 of NITFest and we came here to collect the Neon Splash Party tickets and also to get NFP activated, which is basically the access to food stalls. Day 1 of NITFest, it started with wall painting for me. I had no prior experience in wall painting, but I just tried it for fun because there are no enough participants from our department. We just finished wall painting. It was fun. We came at 8:30. It started at 9. It ended. It happened till 12. The theme of wall painting was Deceptia, the Dunes of Deceit. So let me tell you briefly about what happens in ITFest. Students representing their departments compete against each other in different events regarding arts, fashion, gaming, literature, etc. I participated in wall painting and glass painting. By the way, we didn't paint on glass but on laminate sheet. That is the glass painting that we did. Moving to parade. So parade is where each department is allotted an IPL team and you have the choice to select a player of your choice from the team and you have to create a 5 to 6 feet cutout where you can see we prepared the cutout of AB de Villiers. By the time others are doing their parade, these are the random things that we do.
ఈవెంట్స్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాను. గ్లాస్ పెయింటింగ్, వాల్ పెయింటింగ్, ఇది పెరేడ్ కూడా జరుగుతుంది. పెరేడ్లో కూడా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాను.
Number is given to maintain count. These are 2 clips of parade. Ignore the clarity of detail necessary to maintain the confidentiality of others. But to see it was actually fun. Then we went to CSAT ground where the food stalls were kept.
Hi, beauty blog.
After all the exhaustion, the first thing we got to find was mojito. So we went and quickly ordered few. So we ended the day with a pro show, the candlelight concert of Ginny. We had to wait a lot of time before the concert starts. Finally, we went inside and look at the decor. It looks so good.
Now we are in candlelight concert of Chili and this is so good. It's beautiful. I'll show you the clips and I'm so excited.
The concert started and it was more than what we expected. Day 2 of NITFest, we started with Battle of Bands, which happened in the evening. Battle of Bands is a competition where there are strong competitors from all the departments. I don't remember which department this is, but they sang well. The next performance is of the winners of Battle of Bands, BOB, and it's none other than the ICE department. And here we go, the entry of Preeti Mukundan. She is the alumni of American Trichy. They came here for the promotion of Kannappa movie. And this is the one last event for this day, which was happening on the informal stage between the stalls. This is called Nukkad Natak. Finally, we had food and now it's time for Neon Splash Party. We were given neon lights and also neon paints. We danced crazy. And that's it, we ended the day 2 like this. The day 3 of KnitFest, I started it with Jam. Jam is a literature event where you have to speak in your mother tongue 1 minute continuously without using English. And I was given the topic Indian soldiers. If you come to NIT Trichy, this is where your first year classes happen. And next is the dance battle. Battle of bands and dance battle. There is no space left in the barn hall. It is completely full. There is a huge audience. So we had to stand and watch the performances. Sad part is I didn't make it to our department's performance. And after the performances, we remained in the barn hall only and we had some fun conversations. And here we go, these are some stalls that were kept in the ground. This is a cloth store, followed by some awareness camp. And this is the informal stage that I was talking about before. And then we went to have some juice, and every stall here is completely crowded. Heading from stalls to barn hall. I think there's stand-up comedy happening in barn right now. Okay, it's already done. Hey, we have a concert. Not in barn, but we have a concert that will be happening. So right now we are going from stalls to barn. Our money in the NFP was 0, so we decided to go and eat something like Maggi. And yes, the day 3, the last day of KnitFest, we ended it with the concert of Andrea. And this is how we enjoyed the 3 days of KnitFest. We had a lot of fun. Hope you all enjoyed watching this. See you all in the next video, and until then, signing off.